Good morning, beautiful brothers and sisters. Look at this spectacular morning. This is Stanlee Panelle, the wise woman. And once again, I am out on the beach, having a walk. And I had to stop and just admire this exquisite, gray and soft, beautiful, beautiful day. It is currently, what time is it? Well, whatever time it is, it's 8:30. I'm late this morning, delightfully late. Slow to rise, taking my time. And I'm smiling. That's an amazing thing, actually. Smiling, for me right now, that is an amazing thing. I am smiling because so much of my life was spent being depressed and really not being able to tolerate these gray, beautiful days. So I'm taking extreme pleasure in being able to love and see the beauty in all of this amazing gray, blue, natural beauty. God produces, that we produce. It just is. So good morning to all of you. I hope that each and every one of you is enjoying this exquisite natural phenomenon of beauty in the day, whether the sun rises or the clouds cover it, whether it's warm or cold. There is something exquisite about every single day, and I'm inviting you today to find that exquisite beauty in your life. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.